I am Suzana Kihundwa from Tanzania, Kilimanjaro region. I've come to Apollo Hospital and I came here. My operation was very successful, and now after 2 weeks I am going back home to perform my duties at home. And I say thanks very much for Dr. Somasekhar and Dr. Mohan Krishna of Apollo Hospital. Thank you very much and be blessed.
Hello, Namaste. I am Dr. Somasekhar Reddy, orthopaedic surgeon working in Apollo Hospitals, Hyderabad. I have been coming to Tanzania for more than 10 years, once in 5 to 6 months every year. And I have seen Mrs Suzana, who has been suffering with her right knee joint pain, which is bothering her, and she is finding it difficult to manage her normal activities of daily living. And after seeing her and checking her x-rays, I suggested a total knee replacement surgery for her, which she underwent. After surgery, she has recovered very well, and I am happy to see her walking well, and with the family members, she is now almost ready to go back to home country.
I am Dr. Mohan Krishna, consultant orthopedic surgeon at Apollo Hospital, Hyderabad. She came around 2 weeks back with right knee pain, which she has been suffering for the past 1-2 years, and her day-to-day activities have been restricted because of the knee pain. She has been seen by our senior partner at Tanzania, and she was evaluated, and she was having right knee osteoarthritis like grade 4. And then we planned her right total knee replacement at Apollo Hospital, Hyderabad. She underwent right total knee replacements 2 weeks ago, and post-operatively she was advised physiotherapy and exercises in a planned way, and she recovered very well. And she is due for suture removal, which was done today. And now within the next couple of days she is going to fly back to Tanzania. She is able to do her day-to-day activities without any pain.